It has been so exciting to reveal to you room by room what this house now looks like. The transformation has been amazing, and I think you're beginning to realize that. By now, you've already seen our new kitchen and guest bath. I'm so glad that you like them, by the way. And in those episodes, you also learned a little bit more about the thought process behind the custom cabinetry, the countertops, the tile, and the hardwood floors. Today, we're going to continue to peel back the layers of this incredible transformation, and we're going to talk about something very practical, but also very important, the plumbing fixtures. Let's go. When it came time to choose plumbing fixtures for the house, of course, we thought about what we wanted them to look like. We wanted them to be sleek and modern in most of the areas in the house, but then we wanted something luxe and a little bit sparkly for some of the more special areas like the master bath. However, looks are not where it ends. We also wanted to pay careful attention to the functionality that each piece would bring to the rooms that they were in. So let's talk about some of the important things you should consider when selecting plumbing fixtures for your house. The first thing you want to know is what features should the plumbing fixture have in order to support the function happening in that room. For example, in a kitchen prep area, you might want something that is touch sensitive so that you don't have to worry about germs and mess during your cooking prep time. In the laundry room, you might want to think about something that has a pull down hose that allows you to wash and rinse out the sink. And of course, in the shower, you might want to think about how many body sprays you want to have. Do you want a rain head? All of those things are part of the function and a part of the features that the fixture will have that you need to pay attention to. Next, you'll want to consider what type of finish reflects your personal style as well as complements the style of the home. And here is your designer tip. Make sure that whatever finish you choose is something you want to live with for a long time. Keeping up with the Joneses will have you ripping out your plumbing fixtures every 3 to 5 years, and ain't nobody got time for that. The next thing is you want to take all that information over to your plumber, walk through the house and make sure he understands exactly what needs to happen from a rough installation standpoint. I love that I get to attend the kitchen and bath industry show every year because this is where I see all of the new product introductions, spot the emerging trends, and network with leaders in our industry. These relationships have been instrumental in the types of products we've been able to bring into this house project. Brizo is a brand that I have admired for a long time, and I was thrilled to have them on as the brand sponsor for all of the plumbing fixtures in this house. Villeroy and Boch, a German-based company, is also our brand partner. You've seen me talk about them on Instagram. I even went to Germany to visit their manufacturing facility, so they are a company that is very near and dear to my heart. Finally, MTI has provided the bathtub for the kids' room upstairs and the incredible jet sink that's in the laundry room. Once we confirmed that Brizo was on board, we made our selections for everything from the bathroom faucets to the shower body sprays. We updated our field drawings, printed out spec guides, and walked through the house with our plumber to mark out where the plumbing fixtures would be placed. We then taped our drawings onto the walls so that every trade would know where things would and should be placed. This was very important, especially during that period after demo before drywall, where we knew that once things were closed up, people would forget or maybe not be clear on where things would be laid out. And then our plumber did all of the rough work before our drywall team and tile installers came in. When people have come over to the house, especially when we've had home tours, their hands down favorite room in the entire house is the master bathroom. And I really don't blame them because it is one beautiful room. So I want to show you now. Well, first, how about I show you what it used to look like? Yeah, you know that was not gonna fly. Now let me show you what the master bathroom looks like today. All right, seriously, that is one fine master bathroom. In our master bathroom shower, it is a dream. Not only because of the faucets, you've got body sprays, you've got a rain head, some other cool features, but there's one thing that makes this shower a little bit more special and luxurious than the average shower. Thanks to our friends at Mr. Steam, we will get to experience the iDream Steam package. We've got a linear shower head which has a clean look, but it also lets the steam rise up gently through the room to fill the space. We also have the ability to control and start the steam from the touch of our phone. If we want to get fancy, we can change the lights with the new chroma feature, and we can infuse aromatherapy into our steam experience. I don't think I will see my husband for a while, and I think when I do see him, he'll be kind of pruny and wrinkly. We opted to go with floating vanity cabinets, and what I love about them is the drawers actually have components for organization, so everything stays neat and clean, but also there is a feature that allows us to tap the side of the vanity for an LED light just to provide a little glow, so it's almost like a night light at night where you can just leave that light on and walk into the bathroom and not have to turn on the big lights. And I have to comment on the gorgeous bathtub. I know that freestanding tubs are a huge trend right now, but what I love about this particular tub is that it has a unique shape. It's more narrow and oblong than the tubs that you usually find, and it is really sleek and fits in perfectly with the design we have for this bathroom. And if that wasn't enough, we've taken this bathroom up just one more notch by adding in a designated coffee bar. That is the stuff that dreams are made of. So you see, some of the choices that we've made for this house are truly to create an environment where this house is going to be our favorite place to be. And I think that we were able to achieve that with the help of some incredible products and brand sponsors. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again for the support. Please give us any feedback you have. I'd love to know what your favorite moments are in the master bathroom, and I look forward to sharing more room reveals with you in the coming episodes.
The shower has rain heads, regular shower, body jets, a handheld, and a steam component. And the steam shower does music, color, and aromatherapy.
He's never coming
He's
out.
never coming
He's
out.
never coming out. So which one of these is yours?
That's mine because I get the shelves.
Okay, okay.
And then that's Reggie's.
Okay, that's
And
it is
totally
simply
different
beautiful.
house, huh?
It is so, it's beautiful, really.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.